Hey guys, I know that you've been seeing me record with my webcam now. I'm still using my camera, but I've got some daily motions videos on it now. And plus, why would I want to record if I left being a book? Alright, let's go into part 2 of the video. How things work. Again, the book is called Space Explained. Page 10. Here we go. How things work. The Earth's path around the sun is called its orbit. Almost everything in space is held in orbit around something else, and the force that makes this happen is gravity. This is the same force that makes objects fall to the ground on Earth, and that keeps us on Earth's surface. As you bicycle up a hill, you have to work against gravity. Free will down the other side, and gravity is helping by pulling you towards the center of the Earth. The force of gravity pulls every object towards every other object, but the force is tiny unless one of the objects is massive. That is why we feel the gravity from the Earth and not from our friends or from houses. Because you know that when you're riding your bike going up here, your legs are actually getting exercise. So, yeah. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and read. Let's continue reading. Booty gravity. First, best tape to leave Earth's surface and go into space. It must be the force of gravity, which is pulling it back. If you throw a ball into the air, it falls back. Throw it harder and it goes higher. If you could throw it at 17,700 miles per hour, it would never fall back to Earth at the speed of spacecraft. It beat the pull of gravity and go into orbit around the planet. Although the spacecraft still feels the pull of Earth, gravity is speeds around the planet balance the pull. Balance the pull, okay. Mass, gravity, and weight. Oh. The amount of material is an object is called its mass on Earth's surface. The pull of gravity on the mass is the object weight in space. Objects do not have weight since they are not on Earth's surface, but they still are not on Earth's surface, but they still have mass, and the more mass an object has, the greater it with the pull of its gravity on anything around it. I'm not gonna read that. I'm gonna read the book of the solar system. Gravity was the main force that caused. Wait a second. Let me do a simple guide to everything. Then I'm gonna stop there. Everything is made of tiny particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are arranged in groups called atoms. The different types of atoms are known as elements. Hydrogen is the simplest and lightest element, with just one proton and one electron. The more protons and have the heavier it is. Carbon, see right, which is all living things has 6 each of protons, neutrons, and electrons. All materials can exist as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. What state it is depends on its temperature. For example, as water is heated, it changes from solid ice to liquid, then to gas. Everything else can exist in these 3 states. So oxygen was usually known as a gas. Hmm. To be liquid or solid if it's cold enough. The particles that makes up matter are constantly moving. The higher the temperature, the faster they move. The particles of a gas move around at high speed and pass anything in their way. This is what we call pressure. Oh wow. Yeah. I had to return the 2 books at 12:51 p.m. Wow. On Saturday. Alright guys. I'm stopping now. I gotta get ready for work. So I talk to you later. Bye.